Welcome back to another edition of Fox 40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our holiday edition. All right, first with our chili today, I got all of my ingredients in front of me. I pre-cooked my ground beef and I drained it. I also have my seasoned blend on the stove here. I got my drained beans. I have roasted tomatoes, tomato paste, cheese, sour cream, and all my garnishments. I got chives, peppers, jalapeno peppers, and I also have my McCormick chili mix. This is gonna make things much quicker. It's about a 5 to 10 minute prepping. I also have a rice that's already done, takes about 90 seconds in the microwave, make things always a little faster and a little quicker for you. Then at this time, we're just building to make our chili. I add 2 pounds of my ground beef that I already prepped, cooked, and drained. I'll cook this down a little bit. Add my McCormick chili mix, which is 2 packs and 2 cups of water. And I'm mixing this real good. I go ahead and add my chili beans that's already drained. And this is gonna be 1 whole can of chili beans. Add on my 1 can of my crushed tomatoes. Now this is the fine roasted tomatoes with the minced garlic already into it. I go ahead and add my tomato paste, which is important on this. But give this a good mix. I'm gonna put my lid on and let it start simmering. All right, now that our chili is simmering, we're gonna take that lid off, set the lid to the side. So I got my chili there. I'll come with a scoop of rice, topping my cheese here. Little green onion. Love my jalapenos with my chili. A couple sweet chilies here. And then I love sour cream as well. We got fresh chili. You can find this recipe and more at fox40jackson.com.